Hi everyone, this video is about my compilation of all activities in NetAhad Chapter 2. So, watch this guys.
So first, we'll launch the course. We will go to chapter 2 and we will find the activity. So for me to identify the activity easily, as I noted the sections or numbers of sections or topics that the activity was found. So the first activity is here at the so this is the first activity, and this activity was entitled access methods, and its instruction is to select the most appropriate access method for each scenario. So number 1, you are in the equipment room with a new switch that needs to be configured. So, this scenario is appropriate to the method of console. And second, your manager gives you a special cable and tells you to use it to configure the switch. So, it is appropriate also at the console. Third, you access the iOS by using another intermediary device over a network connection. So, this scenario is for the Telnet or the SSH. Last, you call your manager to call him. You cannot access your router in another city over the internet. He provides you with the information to access the router through a telephone connection. And this scenario is appropriate for the aux method or the AUX or auxiliary. So we will check this activity if we are correct. So successful, it matched all the correct answers. And next activity was founded here at so this is the second activity. So this is entitled configure the switch hostname. So enter the configuration mode and configure the switch hostname to be SW-floor-1. So this activity is to configure the switch hostname. So to configure it, the command is configure terminal. So this is the it, this command is in privilege mode. So to go to global to change the host name, we will put the command configure terminal. So here, this is here in the global configuration mode. Then next, we will put the host name, and this host name sw-floor-1. So it is a successfully configured the switch hostname. So we will close this and we will find the next activity. Third activity is here at so this is the third activity. This activity was entitled Configuring Password Encryption. Enter the command to encrypt the plain text password. So it asks that the password should be encrypted. So in global configuration mode, we will put the service space password dash encryption. So exit global configuration mode and view the running configuration. So to exit the global configuration mode, we will use the command exit, and so it goes back to the privilege mode. To show the running configuration, we will use the command show running config, and this is the running configuration. So you can see that the password is encrypted here, and it is successful encrypted the plain text password. So we'll close this and we will find the next activity. So the next activity was here at, so this activity is entitled limit access to a switch. So encrypt all passwords, secure the privilege exec access, secure the console access, secure the VTY access. So first, encrypt all the password. To encrypt the passwords, the host name was declared here and it is in global configuration mode. So we will type the service password encryption. So this it secure the privilege exec access with the password CLA55. So to secure the privilege exec access password is we will use the command enable secret and, and this declared password. Secure the console line. So use the password Cisco and allow login. To secure the console line, first we will write the command line console 0 and we will put the password Cisco, and to allow login we will use the command login. Secure the first 16 VTY line, so use the password Cisco and allow login. To secure the VTY lines, we will use the line VTY 0 space 15 and we will put the password Cisco and login to allow login. So we have successfully limited access to a switch. And close this and find the next activity. So the first activity, the next activity I mean is here at, so the activity is here at the IP address figure 2. Yeah. So this activity is entitled verifying Windows PC IP configuration. IP means Internet Protocol. So enter the command to display the IP configuration on a Windows PC. To configure the IP, we will simply write the command IP without spaces. And these are the Windows Internet Protocol configuration, and it is successfully displayed the IP configuration on a Windows PC. So let's close this, and the last activity is here at here. Configure a switch virtual interface. So enter interface configuration mode for VLAN 1. Configure the IPv4 address as 192.168.10.2 and the subnet mask as 255.255.255.0 and enable the interface. So we are here at the global configuration mode, and to enter the interface configuration mode for VLAN 1, we will simply write the interface space VLAN 1 and configure the IPv4 address IP space address 192.168.10.2 space the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Enter. Enable interface. To enable the interface, we will write the command no shutdown. And it is successfully configured the switch virtual interface for VLAN 1. And there is no another activity here in chapter 2, so that's all.
So that's all guys, and I hope you understand my video, and thank you for watching. I'm Kisha Lyka Villanueva of IT 2105.